You like them cups of tea, don't you?
Yeah, but we haven't had a proper tea bag the whole time we've been here.
That's better for you.
Yeah.
You can shake yourself to bed tonight.
Right, we've got one thing ticked off the list.
One?
Yeah, well, we're at the EK change yesterday.
EK change. We've got a chain.
Yeah, tomorrow we need to go to Arai.
How many's left on the list then? We've got one thing.
A lot. You've got a lot to do. We're going to go to Arai tomorrow, but today we've got a day off in Tokyo and we're going to give you a little bit of an experience, I'd say tourism. Is that the right word? Culture.
Culture.
Do you like Japanese culture?
Not keen on eating raw fish.
You've done well, to be fair. You've put a bit of an effort in. You've impressed me.
Only nearly gipped once.
Yeah, you've done well, but I think when
temple now then.
Yeah, when we've come this far, we need to go and have a look at a temple. And I think there might be a smidge of wisdom. If we could pour a bit of water over your head, maybe.
Well, I've been trying to find a barber since we got here. Get rid of this Japanese fringe.
You reckon if we get a temple, get some water, and then get a haircut, you're going to be, that's you set for tomorrow?
I'd have said so, yeah.
Right, let's go and have a look. Let's go and have a look. Right, so first of all, we have to bow before we get to the archway, I believe. Don't know how you do that, if you need to clap your hands or whatever. This is supposed to be for athletes, right? And it's going to give, according to their belief, pouring water over the status brings good luck to recover from sickness, healthy, and may possibly even make your fringe look better.
What about if I just jump in the water, like fix my leg?
Do you reckon? How funny would that be if we got in here and you come back and you were fit to run to the hotel?
Well, you never know.
You never know.
Stranger things have happened.
So it says the person beside you has to pour the water over you.
No, it doesn't.
What do you reckon all these are then? Are they like little notes that people have written?
Probably, yeah. Can't we look into this so we don't get bad luck?
I think if it's wrong, we'll get bad luck.
Yeah.
What do you think they're made out of then?
Well, where have you got to brush them?
Just a little bit, not too much.
Thank you for keeping me safe.
You reckon if you win, you're going to come back and put more water on them? Yeah, but you wouldn't, would you go up to the top of that?
Yeah.
Is that higher than the one at McCartney thing?
No.
No? It's 70 stories, isn't it? What do you reckon that is? No, McCartney was 70 stories. Oh, he's ringing. Hold on. All right, Stu.
Hello? Yeah.
How's it going?
Not too bad. I know it's Saturday, but I just thought I'd give you a ring just to see how it's going, how you getting on getting the bike sorted and stuff.
Yeah, all good. We managed to get the chains and stuff sorted yesterday, and we're gonna go to Arai tomorrow. So we're all good.
What do you mean? What do you mean you're gonna go to Arai?
Well, you said...
Get the chains fitted to the bike, or?
No, we've come and got the chains. You said to sort it out, so we've come to Japan.
Fuck off.
Yeah.
You come to Japan.
You said
Taking the piss.
No, you said to sort it, and Ian said that we needed to go, so obviously I did what I was told.
Yeah, I said go and get the bits, not go all the way to bloody Japan to get chains.
Yeah, but you can't
Why
sort...
did you take them?
Listen, mate, you can't sort these things without going in person, and Ian's really enjoyed it. He's ate some amazing food. We've stayed in a really rough hotel.
Who's paying for this? Me?
Well, you're the boss. Don't worry though, we've really enjoyed it.
And you're going to Arai?
To the factory, yeah.
Right, we better go and see Mr. Arai then.
Yeah.
Go all that way and not go and say hello.
Yeah, well, Ian's going to sort all that. He's getting his new design and stuff sorted, so he's well up for it. Do you want to speak to him? He's here. He's here.
Ian?
Hiya, you alright?
Yeah, when I said go and get your chains and your helmet sorted, I didn't expect you to be going to Japan.
Well, I got led
God.
into it. I was easily led.
Who by Lee?
We needed to see how it was made, didn't we? And make sure it was good enough for the job.
You won't believe, mate, you won't believe how good it is.
What are you doing now? It's got to be about midnight or something, isn't it?
Yeah, we've just been to the gym and now we're ready for bed.
Righto, yeah. Are you in a bar?
No?
Right. Well, I'll leave you two characters to it. Let me know how you get on in Arai then, and say hello to Mr. Arai for us.
Will do, mate.
Please don't spend too much money.
No way. Take care.
Right. Laters.
Cheers.
Money well spent.
What's that guy?
Hiya, girl. What?
Oh, that not yet.
But when we make helmet, we just put in the scent mount protection to every helmet, even though the people in the street.
That is the big difference.
We brought something for you.
Oh, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
So still got the, like, from the Alaman.
Alaman.
Yeah. So the stone chips from the road.
You people are really great. No green, no nothing. And you go at the 200 kilometers an hour. I can't believe it.
Big privilege for us to be able to come here and meet you, so thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Yeah. It's great that you've done. I could sit together with you, brave people. I'm chicken.
No. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So this is the in-house testing location. This is like the Snell Tower. On that side you have the ECE tower. So before any helmet is officially homologated, everything is tested first in-house. With the ECE standard, you have several anvils, flat anvil and the curbstone. What we do with the Arai criteria is to have a hemispherical anvil, which is like this. Because of this shape, all the impact energy is concentrated in a very small point. And also the penetration test, which is not mandatory part of the ECE homologation, but I mean, you know what can happen on a bike. So that's also part of our philosophy. It's not just about impact absorption. So by having a penetration test for all our helmets, so not only for Europe, but really all our helmets have to pass these in-house criteria.
それは特別でもありますけども、でも別にそういう方だから特別にヘルメットを作るっていうことはしなくて、どの人でもね、そう有名じゃないライダーの人でも我々はヘルメットを作って、で万一の時に頭を守れればそれが目的だというふうに考えています。
So every chin strap that goes into a helmet is checked before they are installed. If there's no deficiencies, no damage or whatever. And then they are also, this person is doing is they are laser etched. So the date of manufacture is then engraved on the, D-ring.
Check that, yeah.
Yeah.
だからそういったことでね、その中で満島で走る方、あれはやっぱり特別危ない走りをする人だってね、やっぱりそういった意味ではね、満島の走る人のことは私の頭から離れたことないですよ。
This is another very important stage. This started at 1977 because back in the day the shells were inspected but by the racing service for the racers. And Mr. Arai, he noticed that also, and then he thought, okay, but everybody is the same. Every rider is the same basically, not only racers. So we implemented this shell inspection, second shell inspection for every outer shell that is made. So there's not one helmet that goes on the market that hasn't been inspected here for a second time, because after shell molding there is a first inspection of the shell integrity, and then they come here and they are checked another time by an independent group of inspectors. These guys, they report directly to the head office. So they check it visually to see if the materials are in the right place, if they are not folded or creased or damaged or whatever. They check the weight of the helmet, the thickness of the outer shell. And then when everything is okay, they are signed off with an OK mark. And then they're good to go and they go to the next steps.
That's impressive, that, and it's all been tested by one person or people. Then it comes here and gets another full testing by another group of people. So like the same job's getting done twice. Some helmets don't even get tested. They're getting tested twice.
This is the whole painting process on this floor. So we start with the bare shell, the outer shell that we saw. If you feel it's very, very rough, so you cannot really just paint it like it is. You need a very thick layer of paint. Of course, it's easy to do, but then the helmet gets heavy, then it messes with the center of gravity. It doesn't feel good. And of course, what we want to achieve is to put on as little paint as possible, because we want to keep the weight down. Well, you know, when you're out on the bike, every gram counts. You can't really see it by eye, but there are a lot of pinholes in the outer shell because of the molding process. So what we do is the first step is to put in this kind of mud-like putty, and we just rub it in the whole shell. And then you can fill the pinholes and make it a flat surface, an even surface.
一番危ないところでとんでもない速度で走ってる人たちに選ばれているということは非常に私にとって誇り高いことであってね、働いてる人にも大きな意味があると思います。まず頭に分かるの、あそこ一番危ないところですよ。あそこの人たちに何か選ばれたっていうのは非常に光栄に思ってますね。
So then it's ready to get some paint on, because then the surface is smooth, so you get the first primer. It's still not super smooth if you touch it, but this is really the first layer. So this one, it's the primer for the second layer. So this one has also good adhesive properties. When this one is sprayed on, then it's checked. So that's why you get these green markings. And that means that it needs a bit of sanding. So they sand off some thicker areas where there's maybe a bit too much of the primer. Then you get this one. So it's all sanded off. It's already becoming quite smooth. If you touch it, it's quite nice.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it feels already quite smooth. Then we move and it gets to here, it gets another layer.
So this is a different person for each one of these, or the same?
Yeah. So it moves all around this floor, just for this. Yeah.
How many people do you think touches one helmet?
Yeah, it's a lot. I think 60 people. Yeah.
60 people?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's a lot.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Then it gets checked again for some deficiencies, anything that gets marked.
That's all manual as well. That's not scanned.
Yeah, everything is manual checked. It's sanded off again. It becomes very smooth. So then it's checked again. So you have these pencil marks. It means it can use a little bit of more sanding just to get that last bit off. And then you have this very smooth.
Yeah, the last one.
Yeah, the
That's
last
it, ready
one.
for paint.
Yeah. So only this stage, the first stage, is already about 10 days of work.
Jeez. That's crazy, isn't it?
このヘルメットのビジネスってね、本当に小さなビジネスなんですよ。だから他のビジネス比べればね、もうとてつも桁違いに大きなビジネスもたくさんある。でも我々のヘルメットで助かるお客さんの命っていうかね、ライダーの命、これはそれよりもっと価値のあるもんじゃないか。命ですからね。それができるっていうのは我々にとって大きな目的であり、またこの我々のヘルメットを作るっていうね、仕事における一つの誇りでもあるんですよね。
Yeah, so this is the Tensha water transfer decal department. So this is where all the decals are put on. Depending on the complexity of the design, you get 1, 2, or 3 layers. So each layer requires that it goes into the oven. Then it comes out. You have to peel off this like plastic film. Then another layer, back in the oven, back out, take off the film again, and then for each layer.
And it's only women do this job?
Mostly, yes. Yeah, we've had
For
also.
just
It's
deep,
more,
fine hands.
yeah, for the precision. More suitable. So.
パフォーマンスとバランスって、パフォーマンスは守ることがパフォーマンスですよ。それで走ってる時に集中をそがれたらこれは危なくしますからね。走っている時に走りに集中できるようにかぶり心地をやっぱり考えて、そして万一の事故があった時にはできる限り守る。ただそれだけでね、守れるっていうことについてはね、もう基本的なものはもうすでに何年もやってるんでしょうけども、ただし細かく見ていけばわずかにながらでもね、ゲインプロテクションね、より守りを高める余地は見つかる。そういうものを一つ一つ追い続けていくことが我々にとって真意だと思ってるし、またそれをするのは実際に形にするのは洗いで働いている人たちですからね。その人たちにとっても誇りを持った仕事ができるようにする、それが経営でしての役目だと思いますよ。
This is of course the assembly factory. So basically what's happening here is that after the paint process, the helmet is then assembled. So all the exterior parts, interior parts are put in, and then it's to complete the helmet, and then it goes out into the market. So what is done here is that this is a paint inspection, because we also have some external suppliers who paint some of the helmets and the parts. So these are checked here if the paint job is done properly. So again, everything here has to be perfect for the next step. And you can imagine if something is wrong at this stage, all the work that has already gone into it is then for nothing.
Yeah.
So on this side, you have several stations, but what they do is they drill these holes.
Yeah.
So this is for the base plate, for the chin strap rivets, for ventilation on the side.
Yeah.
This is basically what they do here. So here they're working on applying the trim rubbers, so for the I-port trim and also for the bottom edge. Again, this is one of the important elements of a helmet, the EPS liner, because it's directly related to how the helmet can protect the rider. Before inserting the EPS liner, it is always checked. You can see the tablet over there. There's a specification sheet because every model has different EPS liners that go in.
So the code inside the helmet will
match with the codes on this EPS liner, and the EPS liner have various densities. You can see the different colors. Yeah, that is one of our proprietary technologies. This one-piece multi-density liner.
Yes. Good.
No, and it looks very.
That's hard, that one. Don't move.
あれはだってあの形だから卵は生き残ってんですよね。生き残った歴史があるのが卵ですからね。それから学ぶ、ただそれだけのことですよ。卵が卵の形じゃなかったらもう鶏はいないですよ。だからあれはその歴史が証拠ですし、どっか天の高いところにいる誰かがね、これが一番安全だと言ってくれて作ったもんでしょうから、それを素直に受け入れてるだけです。
This is a job that not anybody can do. It's not that this will be rotated and say, okay, now you're gonna do it. It's really somebody who gets a proper training in using the machine, knows about how to attach the chin strap and knows what to look out for when it's not going the right way. Yeah, this is a very serious job. Part of the process, really have to be full dedication.
Arai で働いてる人はトータルで400、それ以上じゃないんですよね。400ちょっとですよね。だけどあまりそれ以上に多くしていくつもりはないんですよ。そうでないと本当に誇りを持って働かないでも、それでも単に仕事として働く人が増えてくると、Araiの守りが損なわれるんじゃないか。Araiの守りが損なわれないで作り続ける範囲以上の人はAraiにヘルメット作りには携わってほしくないと思っています。責任感っていうよりも、むしろこの守りを落とさないこと、それからこれから上げるって言ってもそんな大きな余地はないかもしれないけれども、たとえ小さなゲインプロテクションでも追い続けていき、またそこで働く人たちがそれに誇りを持って働き続けることができるような形態で、これからもAraiは続けていきたいと思っています。我々もバイクが好きな人間ですけども、バイクの好きな人たちの頭を守る、毎日の事故の時に守り続けられる、さらにその守りを高めていく、そういう話題でありたいと思っています。
Yeah, thank you very much coming. And that gift, please don't open before TT race this year.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, cheers.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Right, man, it's been a mega trip. Really good to get them two things ticked off the list. Firstly, the chain, and then your helmet, which is going to be mega. What is next on the agenda while we get home?
Yeah, we've got a bit to do, haven't we? Well, I have.
I'm here for the support.
Testing in a week.
Yeah.
Testing. Riding a bike, hopefully in Spain in a week. So, yeah, there's a bit more to do. See if we get enough stuff to get the second bike ready.
Yeah.
And then back from there, straight to the BSB tests.
Right, let's make a plan on the plane, and then we can actually get some more stuff boxed off.